For today, we're going to do colors and tooltips, okay? So those are the things that we want to do today. Is how to create colors, how to also do tooltips. So tooltips is when you put your mouse on something and you have another information about it, okay? Maybe you might have seen it before when you put your, let me see if there's similar thing here anyway. So there's none, okay? So sometimes you put your mouse on something and you got different thing, okay? So now, if you don't have account on Replit before, okay, what you can do, click on sign up, okay? Click on sign up. Once you click on sign up, click on continue with email, okay? Then put your email, put your password, and click on create account. So that would do for you. Then it might ask you some other information. Yeah, your level, just click on your level and you're able to do that. So I'm going to join. I'm going to log in right now because I've already got an account. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to do that. So now I would create a new repli. Okay, so I'm going to create a new one so that you guys also can do the same thing as well. So is that you do this, you create new, okay, and then select HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Okay, HTML, CSS, J. So you can, if this does not appear in your favorite, so just search for HTML. Okay, and you're going to see there. Okay, so yeah, so search for the template HTML, select that. Okay, then the name. Okay, I'm going to change this to PT Coder Web Development. Okay, now that will be the name. Okay, and you can click on create repli. Okay. And then you're going to have your code open with some standard code for you, okay? So we're going to leave this as it is, you don't need to worry. But now we're going to create a new file, okay? A new file, okay? So I'm going to click on new here, click new file, okay? And I will call it, let's say, color, okay?
PT
Dot HTML, okay? I'll call it color.html, okay? Color.html, okay? And press enter. So here now you can see it there, color.html, but this time around it hasn't got anything, okay? So we are going to do the same thing like here right now. Let's begin. So what you need to do is to start your tag HTML, okay? HT. So once you start typing, it's going to suggest something for you. You can click HTML, okay? So, and I'm going to close it. So, and you can see what happens. It opens one and it closes it immediately for you, okay? So, which is good. What I'm going to do is to go enter, press enter, so that there will be space between both of them. This is the beginning of the HTML tag, and this is the end of the HTML tag. 2 weeks ago, we know that HTML has got different tags, okay? HTML as a text is one of the tags, okay? And every tag that you open, you need to close it, okay? So how do you open a tag? You put less than and you put the name of the tag and you put greater than to open a tag. And then you do the same thing to close it, but the only difference is you put a slash after the less than. So that's how to close it, okay? So now this is our HTML tag, okay? Everything that you are going to do should be inside the HTML tag, okay? And now you can see it's actually recommending something for me anyway, which is fine. I can accept that, but I don't want to accept it. I'm going to type everything out, yeah. So now the next thing I'm going to do is the edge, okay? So if I do that, okay, as you can see quickly, it has already suggested the end of the edge. Okay, as you can see, this is the beginning and the end. Okay, and then after that, I'm going to put my title. Okay, so can we be muted, please? Thank you. Okay, thank you. So, okay, so now what I need to do now is the title of my website, okay? So I'm going to do that title, okay? As you can see now, as I put title, it just ended for me as well as the title tag, okay? So here, let me repeat, head is a tag, okay, and HTML and title, and this is the end, okay? The beginning of the tag, the end of the head, the beginning of the title, the end of the title, okay? So, and now what you need to do after the head, what do you have, guys? After you have the head, what do we need to do? Can someone shout it out for me, please?
Body.
Yes, something. Thank you. Yeah, so you need to do body as well. Okay, thank you. So once you do body and you close it with a closing that, and yeah, so you have body and you have, so this is your skeleton of your website, okay? So then you can decide to put anything that you want to put in your title, anything that you want to put in your body, okay? So for now, we are going to put something in our title, let's say color website, okay? And we can say with tutu. Okay, let's leave that for anyway, okay? And now in our text now, we are going to put paragraphs, okay? We did paragraph last time, okay? We did paragraph, we did H1, okay? Let's start with H1 first. H1, I think, so that we can have a title, okay? H1, okay? So you need to know that when you are typing this, you need to be careful so that you don't have errors, okay? Because sometimes you need to know that you are actually developing a code, and if you don't type it properly, your test on your website might not work properly, okay? Now HTML, okay, we're going to say this is a website, okay, about colors, okay? So that's what we want to put on our HTML. Okay. Now we want to do paragraphs. Okay. And we want to do paragraphs. So P like, okay. And we want to do paragraphs. So what do you want to see? So um I want this color. Okay, this text in red. Okay. Let's say I want it in red. Okay, I want it in red. So that's what I want to do. We want to change this text to red. Okay, so let's first, okay, let's run it and see what we have. So, okay, hold on. Oh, okay, all right. So that's a good one. So let's quickly, okay, we need to put, I think we actually did hyperlinks last time, okay? Who can tell me how to use hyperlink, okay? We did hyperlinks. We did how to put the links. Okay, all right, I've got someone raising their hand. Khadija, do you want to show us?
So
Okay,
how
can you? Yeah, just tell me, then I'll be typing it.
so how to do the link is that you do the brackets and write
Okay,
A inside and
okay.
HREF. You have to do
The
it
ref.
equal. After do
Okay,
equal,
because
after you should do the speech mark after write H HTTPS the two
okay,
dots the two dashes www.replit.com, the speech marks again after the closing, and right go to Replit after you do the brackets after you put a a dash after put the A.
Okay, all right, then we'll do replace. Okay, I will put A. Okay, who can tell me what I've done wrong? Okay, what have I done wrong? Okay, let's look at this. Okay, Jedidiah, have I done anything wrong?
Yes.
Okay, what have I done wrong?
First of all, you missed out the A in A
Thank you, Jed. Okay, there should be A at the beginning. Okay, all right, thank you, Jed, for that. Okay, Farida, anything that I've done wrong? Anything that I need to
Yes,
do?
so for your HTTP, you forgot to add the S at the end of it.
Okay, all right, so let's go on. X, okay, you guys are really brilliant. Okay, anything that I've done wrong? Any other person? Any other person? What have I done wrong? Khadija, okay, or who else? Jed, do you want to say any other thing?
I think the replit is supposed to be on a new line.
Okay, no, this is fine. I think yeah, you can see I have something like that. Just something I didn't do. Okay, Jimmy. Okay, Jimmy, we can't hear you. Okay, I said something about closing and ending of a tag. Okay, David, David,
You forgot the title in number 3.
number 3. Okay, yeah, the title is there anyway, so don't need to worry. Yeah, title is in the head on this one. But on this line, there's something I've not done, right?
Mute yourself.
Okay, does anyone know?
I do.
Okay, what's that?
Reader.
Okay, all right, okay, okay, what should I do?
I think for when you close it, it should the A with the triangle brackets, it should only have it for the right side and not the left side as well.
Okay, all right, so that is close. Okay, that's brilliant. We are getting there anyway. Okay, all right, thank you so much, Faida, for that. That is really very close. So, okay, but there's something I'm still waiting for. Jeddah, okay?
Oh, you missed out the dash or before the A.
Which one?
Before the A. You missed out a dash.
Oh yeah.
Where is that?
No,
This one?
I've seen it. Ooh.
Dash before the A, right? Are you talking about here?
No, on the second one.
The second one.
Second.
Slash, right? You said.
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you. So yeah, thank you, yeah. So that is what is missing. So I need to close the A tag. Yeah, thank you so much. Yeah, so there's a slash. Okay, let's run it and see what we have. Okay, you can see we can go to replics, okay, from there. But now we want to do something also. Okay, we want to go to this particular color HTML, okay? That is what we need to do now, okay? So let's say we have our A, okay? So, and we want to put the href inside, okay? So, this time around, we are not going to use HTTP, okay? So we're going to use this, okay? So this time around, we're going to say, go to colors, okay? All right, so now this will link to, okay, all right. Okay, let's also look at it. What have I done wrong here? Okay, there's something I've done wrong. Yeah, does anyone want to tell me? Okay, quickly.
The
You guys
brackets.
are now programming now. Okay, what? Jimmy?
Wait, it's not about the question you just asked. You know, before it was my laptop who just turned it off because it's
Okay.
and you know about the code that we were writing before about the color HTML thing in the
Okay, yeah.
Mine just when I run it, it just says "Hello World." It doesn't say about the color, about the thing that we've written.
Yes, maybe you there's something that you didn't do properly. We'll look at that in a moment. Okay. So that's where if you miss any part, then it might not work properly. Okay. All
No,
right.
it was
Let's
about
quickly.
the writing the I want this in red and on the website now. And I put it in and then I will clicked on run and it just says everything.
Okay. All right. Okay. We're going to look at everything anyway, so later. So okay, let's look at this one. Okay. Does anyone know what I got wrong here? Something I didn't do. Okay. Khadija.
You forgot to close it with the A and the dash.
Oh, I've got A, yeah. I've got that one, yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I've got it. Yeah. Okay. Jed.
Oh, I've seen it.
Okay, what's that?
You've not added your speech marks,
Thank you. Thank you. Who said that?
Farida.
Farida. Yeah, thank you. So the speech mark is very, very important. So I need to put speech mark on that. So let's run this one now. Okay, as you can see now, that's it. So, but I really don't like how everything appears on the line. What do I need to do if I don't want it to be on the line? Can someone tell me? I don't want it to be on the
Space.
line.
You just put
PT.
P to make the paragraph.
Okay, so I need to put P at the beginning of this. Okay,
PTP.
P, and then need to put it at the end, right? Okay, that's brilliant. Okay, so if I don't want to use P, okay, what else can I use? Okay, but let's say, let me run this one now. Okay,
T.
all right, so that is out. But I want to, if I don't want to use P, I want to use a different thing. What can I use? Okay, Samuel.
You can use line break.
Okay, okay, say that again, please. I think you're right.
You can use line break.
Okay, all right. Let me say line break. What do we use? What do we do? How do we do line break? What do we need to do? If you want to do a line break, what do you put in there?
Take time.
Samuel, how do you do line break?
BR.
Thank you. That's good. So we should BR. So that's another way to do paragraphs. You can do BR. Okay. So that's one way. Okay. All right. Let's run it. So that's brilliant. And let's see if this goes into color. Okay. Brilliant. It goes into color. Okay. So now what we've done, we've consolidated what we did last week, right? We've done paragraphs. We've added BR, which is line break, and we've done links to our color page, which we did here. Okay. And now we've run it. It goes to the color page. We can go back. Okay. And yeah, so that is our go to color. Okay. It goes into the color page. Okay. All right. So the next thing that we can do, right, is to ensure this color page actually shows color. Because one, when I go in there, I said that I want this to be red, but it's not showing red, right? So now, how do we do that? Okay, for this to show red. So I'm going to go to that now. Okay. So, and I want this text to be red. So what do I need to do? Okay. I need to use style. Okay. I need to use style. Okay. So I can, after the P, I will put style. Okay. And equal to color. Okay. But you have to put this yeah, you have to put this in quotes now, color. So unfortunately, right, it is not this color. Okay, hold on. Yeah, I know it is not this. I think, Joshua would say it's color, right? It's the American color, okay? So without you, okay? So then you put semicolon, right, or colon rather, and you put red, okay? And then, okay, that will change this particular text to red. Let's run it.
So can you send this in the chat so we can copy and paste?
Okay, I will do that. Okay, so I think there should be a semicolon at the end. Okay, all right. So this is how to do that. Okay, that changes to red. Okay, and I'm going to send this to everyone now so that you can copy that into the chat. Okay, but it would be good if you can do it yourself as well. Anyway, so but I'm going to send it text anyway, so you can copy that and create a color file and then paste it into that. But you need to know what that code is doing, okay? Paragraph, and this is changing color. And you can try other colors, okay? So let's say I want to do another one, okay? And I want this now to be blue, okay? And I can say this should be blue now. I want this to be blue. Okay, let's run it. So that doesn't work. Okay. Let's see.
Sir, for some reason mine still says hello world, and I copied and pasted yours.
Okay, I'm going to assist you anyways. 1 minute. So
Because it still says hello world even though I run it.
I'm going to assist you. So 1 minute. So okay, all right. So let me run this quickly. Oh, my screen is frozen. Okay, I really don't know why that is not. Yeah, that should show blue, right? So P style, blah, blah. Yeah, okay. Color blue. Yes, okay. Let's run it again. Okay, let's go. Why is that? Oh, thank you, Joshua. Yeah, yeah. So I missed this line actually. Yeah, thank you, Joshua. Yeah. So yeah, can you see that sometimes you need to be, yeah, you need to pay attention. So I didn't even pay attention to that. So Joshua is the one that now, yeah, corrected me. Thank you so much for that. So yeah, I could be there like forever, yeah, knowing what I did wrong. Okay, thank you so much for that. So okay, all right. So I'm going to send this one to you guys as well. So you can, yeah, you can do whatever you want to do with that. Okay. So the next thing, like I said we're going to also do tooltips. Okay. We want to put our text on this one. I'm going to say, oh, that's a tooltips. We want to show more information. Okay. So, okay, we want to show more information on that one. Okay. So to do that, 1 minute, we're going to put a title. Okay. So we're going to, okay. So at the end of this now, so we got the P. So at the beginning of this P, we want to say title is equal to this is more information that is text is red. Okay. So let's run that. Okay. So this will not show. Okay. As you can see, it's not going to show. But if you put your mouse on it, it's going to show now. Can you see? This is more information that this text is red. Okay. And you can do the same thing for this one. Okay. So as you can see now. Okay. All right. So that is what we are going to do today. I'm going to send this into the chat for you guys. Okay. So try to do as many as we can. Then after that, we'll try to see if we can break into rooms. Okay.
So mine
So,
still says
okay,
mine still
1
says
minute. So quickly, 1 minute. So, okay. All right. Let's see who is having issues quickly before we break into rooms. Okay. Okay. If you are having issues, can you raise your hand up? Okay. All right, Jimmy. Okay, I'm gonna stop sharing. Do you want to share your screen?
Okay. So basically, this is what you did, where you sent into the chat, and then um, I copied and pasted it, and when I run, it still says LOL.
Yes, exactly. Because there's something. Okay, who can tell me what Jimmy has not done? Anyone? There's something I did as well. Who can tell me? Okay, you can shout it out. Okay, just give it a try. Okay. Okay, Joshua.
It's it could be running index.html instead of color.html.
That is right. That's right. You are running index.html. You need to go to the index. That is what is running. Okay. So you need to, yeah, on the index now, you need to put a link, okay, to the color. Okay.
What link?
So, okay, let me send my index.html to you, okay? Because in the index.html, I make some changes as well. Okay.
So should I delete this one then copy the one you did?
Yes, no, I'm gonna send the HTML to you now, the index, okay? What you should see in the index. Where's the charts? Okay, so that is my index.html, okay? So that's, you need to put that, you need to replace that, okay? Because I put a link to color.html, okay? Otherwise, it's going to be running HTML. HTML, index.html is the beginning of a website, okay? Is the starting of a website, okay? So that's where your page will start from index.html, okay? Yes, that's fine now, okay? Can I see your index.html again?
So this is the index
Please?
one. And so
Can
do
you
I
go back to the index.html?
Yeah, this is it.
Okay, all right. I think it's working fine. Then click
But
on
then
the go to color, right?
oh
Okay. Yeah, go to color.
oh thank you. I was confused for a minute. It's because my laptop turned off.
Sorry?
It was because my laptop turned off, so I
Yeah.
couldn't so I missed some part.
Okay.
But now it's on again. Good.
Okay, that's fine. Yeah, okay now, right.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah. Okay. All right, quickly, okay, because of the time and yeah. So Nick,
Mr.
I
Deji,
yes, Farida.
you know when you're like, it's not, I don't need help, but you know when you're doing something on Replit, right? And it's smart enough to tell you, do you want this to be added, like a slash triangle brackets? When
Yeah.
I press enter, it just disappears, and I want it to enter.
Oh, okay. I
I
think
think you're meant to press tab.
yeah, exactly. You need to press tab. Yeah, not
Which
enter.
one's tab? Oh,
Tab.
it's on
The
your left.
arrow,
The
on your
two
left, the arrow.
arrows.
Yes, the
The
two
one-
arrows.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Caps
Thank
lock.
you.
Yeah. Okay, no problem. Okay, Ayomide. Ayomide.
Yes, sir.
Okay, all right. Do you have any questions or
Yes.
issues? Okay.
Should I share my screen?
Yes, please go for it. That's what you want to have.
This is what is showing on mine.
Okay.
Can you see it?
Yes, we can. Okay, do you want to run it for us?
Yes, I did. This is what it's bringing.
So that's fine.
Press the one under not found saying go to Replit. Actually, go to the one below web view that says back to my page.
Okay, let's see what is in your index.html. Okay, can you run it? Let's see from here. Okay, so
Try refreshing the page.
yeah, try refreshing page. The O page, the O page.
The whole page. Okay.
Yes. Okay, can you run it? Yeah, there you go. Okay, then you can click on color, go to color on the right. Yeah, there you go.
Thank you.
No worries. Okay. All right, let's go to the next person. Joshua, do you want to coordinate it?
Jedediah, you can share your screen and show us what you need help with.
Okay.
Bursky.
Can you see my screen?
Yes, we can see your screen.
So on the right hand side, I don't know how to fix it. It just keeps on saying that.
Can you enlarge the screen first? Yeah. Okay, and then try what Joshua said now. Yeah.
Try refreshing the page.
Okay. Yeah, it keeps on doing that.
Okay, let's
It's
see.
still
Yeah,
loading.
still loading. Let's see.
Okay.
Oh, okay. Takes too long. Okay, so should we check the index?
I haven't finished it yet.
There's nothing for it to load.
Yes, that's the issue.
Oh,
You need to copy
okay.
the index, copy the index I sent to you and put it there. Okay, that is the
Okay.
reason. Yeah.
Okay. Thank
Okay.
you.
No worries.
Nicole, you can share your screen and show us what you need help with.
Okay. I see my screen. Can see my screen.
Yeah, we can see your screen.
If I keep running, it does this.
Go to the index. There's nothing in the index.
Okay, I'm going to send the index again. You need to put something on your index, okay?
Okay.
So I'm going to put it in the chat again. So that should be your index, okay? Copy this into the index.html file. What did I do? All right, Kevin.
Me?
Yes.
Oh.
You've got your answer.
Yeah. If there's something wrong with my work.
Okay. Do you want to show the screen?
Yeah. Can you see my screen?
Okay. Can you go to the index? Let's see what you have on the index.
This is where I have my index. And if I run, this is what happens.
Do you want to refresh? Can you refresh the screen?
I should refresh this. I should press the refresh button.
Yeah. Refresh that one.
Thank you.
Yeah, no worries. Okay. All right. So who else do we have? Paris.
Please, not be that.
David, can you be muted? David Dimoko, please. Can you be muted? Thank you.
Me.
No, not you. The other David. Okay. Faris. Yeah, please. What's your issue? Do you want to share your screen?
Yes. One moment. Can you see it?
It's coming out.
Can you
Okay,
see it?
let's have someone helping Faris. Who wants to help Faris? You can raise your hand up if you want to help. Okay. I didn't see any hand. Okay, Joshua. Okay, Ayomide, do you want to help?
I think I should click go to color. Is that right?
Yes.
Okay, cool. Yeah, that's right. Click on go to color on the right. Okay, Ayomide.
Refresh your page, like the whole page.
No, it's because his color HTML says HTML twice.
Oh, I couldn't see that.
I don't think that's it.
Yeah.
Because it's not going not dot HTML. It's just color HTML, so it won't keep it won't treat the first HTML as HTML. It will just treat it as a name.
Yeah, that's right. So you need to remove the first HTML, okay? Yeah, you need to remove the HTML and put dots. Yeah, thank you guys. Yeah. So you need to remove that HTML and put .html, okay?
So,
Rename, can you rename again? Okay.
okay.
Remove that, okay? And colors dots. Yeah, you need to put dots now. Make sure there's no space here. Okay. All right, cool. Yeah, thank you, Aramide. Thank you, Farid as well. Okay. So let's run it and see. Okay, and Joshua, we're done.
Stop sharing.
Okay, all right. So are you okay, Farid? I think it should be fine now anyway.
I run it.
I can swallow.
Farida,
When I hit the dick with the top,
David, what's it? I might
D.
put you in the waiting room, okay, if you continue doing
David.
that. Okay? Yeah, Demoko, okay. All right, cool.
Yeah. Yeah, I need help.
Okay, all right. Okay, Farida, let's see what you've got. So after that, then Judge, then that will be for today. Okay.
Something's wrong with my my index HTML or my colors HTML, because here I've removed what I put before, which was this, and then replaced it with this, but I'm still spamming run, and it's still giving me with this, and I don't know what I've done wrong because I've deleted all of that.
Okay.
Try refreshing your
Yeah,
page.
try refresh. Yeah. Oh, I know another thing.
Refresh my page. Why would this
So,
show
yeah.
up again?
Okay, there you go.
And then with my colors HTML, right? I've added. Oh, I get it now. Yeah, I need to refresh my page. Thank you.
But yeah, okay, I think that's it anyway. So, but for you, I think you are still going to have issues. Do you want to share your screen again? Yeah, I can see there's another issue that you have.
Yeah, it seems that McAfee is blocking the page.
Yeah, no, I think even the name is different. Yeah, you got
No,
colors.
I pressed
Right.
X on the McAfee.
So if you share your screen, Farida, quickly, right?
Right?
Okay. Can you click on go to color? Go to color. Let's see if that works for you. I doubt it's gonna work. Go to color on the right.
Oh.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, that won't work.
Oh,
Yeah.
because mine's colors.
Exactly. You know that. Yeah. So run it now. I think you should be fine. Yeah. Then click on go to colors. Still blocking it. Let's see. Okay. Can you click? You need to click on view or block content. Click on view or block contents. Now
Where?
at the right
There's
up.
still an S there.
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay. And click on go to color. Yeah. Yeah, there you go. Okay,
Oh,
you've
thank you.
even added green. Okay, well done. So okay, Jed, last person. Okay. Can you stop sharing? Farida?
Sir,
Okay, yes, Jed.
it still shows the same thing.
Okay, do you want to share your screen? I see Joshua. Do you want...
Can you see my screen?
Yeah. Can you enlarge it first, please?
Uh, uh, yeah, yeah.
So the index.html won't load. Which one won't load? The color or the index?
Both. All right, time to do a speed run, boy. Time to do a speed run, boy.
Try to refresh the page.
Yeah, red. I'm dumb.
Farida, can you be muted? And Fariz, can you also be muted? Thank you.
Sorry. Which is this? And then after like a few minutes, it's the thing that should.
I think it should work, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So can you click on run, please?
Okay.
Open the page.
It won't run.
Okay. Is there anything wrong with this? I think it should be fine. Yeah. So what do you think, Jason?
Do you have a stable internet connection?
Yes.
Because it's just going on loading and loading, right? Close the web view, close it.
Huh?
Click on close. You see where you have the
Oh,
web
yeah.
view? Yeah, close that one. Okay. And refresh the screen again. Refresh the whole screen.
What should I do now?
You need to bring the add pin.
Go to the three dots,
Yes.
then press add pane,
Yeah.
insert right.
No, I don't think it's coming up. Yes.
What should I do now?
Okay. Click on run. Just click on run. Click on run. Let's see. Maybe it's going to come up automatically. Yeah,
Alright.
okay. Because I think the index is fine, so I don't see any reason why it should not, it should not come up. Loading your page. HTML. Let's look at it critically. Go back to the index.html again.
Okay.
So let's look at that and see. That is fine. The second line is okay. Ed is okay. Meta, blah, blah. Okay. As the title is okay. Link is fine.
It shows you're not paying attention. I keep drawing so that you know where.
Then you have the hello word. You have the P and the closing paragraphs. You have the dot and you close the body and you have that looks okay to me.
Next week and see if it works.
Yeah, let's see next week anyway. So yeah.
Or use another device.
Yeah, you can try another device anyway. So because it looks okay to me, I don't know why it's not working. Yeah, it looks fine. So yeah, you can copy it and try to start all over again, okay, and see if it's gonna work. Or use a different browser, okay?
Okay.
All right, cool. Yeah. Okay, thank you everyone. So let me see, okay. If you can raise your hand, how many people have been able to do this? Let me see. Raise your hand if you've been able to do what we've done today.
I've added the full rainbow.
Yeah. Okay. All right. Cool. Brilliant. I'm going to give you a task to do for next week anyway. Okay. So, all right. Brilliant. I got a lot of people. So, okay. For next week, okay, I want you to, do a web page with different colors, okay, with different text and different colors, okay, different pages, and okay, the different text, and you put different colors there. And also you need to put more information on the text. If I put mouse on some part of the text, you want to show me what that text is about, okay? So and maybe you can also do a website about your favorite topic or favorite subject, actually your favorite subject, okay, and you need to put different colors, or you need to put more information about the colors. What is the name of the teacher? Okay, so that's what I want you to do for next week. Okay, so do a website about your favorite course, okay, or subjects. Okay, all right, cool. Okay, this is where we're going to have a pause, and I'll meet you guys next week, Sunday, for HTML. For those guys doing the Python, I will see you on Saturday. Thank you, everyone, and thanks for all my faculty. Thanks so much to Joshua for the assistance, and also all those faculty, Eunice, also Mrs. Kayode, and also Mr. Kayode Alao, and another one as well, David. Thank you so much. Okay, and Eunice here as well. Okay, so okay, all right. I will see you guys next week. Have a good week ahead. Okay, bye bye, everyone. Yeah.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.